Too Crazy AI brings you today's curated AI industry news. Turing Award winner LeCun leaves Meta for startup. SoftBank dumps NVIDIA for OpenAI. Microsoft and Blue Owl pour billions into AI infrastructure. Let's dive into today's developments.
Breaking news: Meta's chief AI scientist and Turing Award winner Yann LeCun plans to leave Meta in the coming months to start his own AI company. This deep learning pioneer will focus on world models research, a new generation of AI systems that understand environments, simulate causal relationships, and predict outcomes. LeCun's departure timing is telling. Meta recently reorganized its AI division, creating a new superintelligence labs while his FAIR research lab appears sidelined. Notably, LeCun has been publicly skeptical of current LLM technology. This move reflects deep divisions in the AI industry about technical directions. The AI infrastructure race heats up. Blue Owl Capital, a Wall Street giant managing over $200 billion in assets, announces a $3 billion investment in OpenAI's Stargate project for a New Mexico data center. What is Stargate? It's an ambitious $500 billion plan to build data center networks capable of producing 10 gigawatts of power by end of 2025, enough to power millions of homes. The first site in Abilene, Texas, is already operational, using NVIDIA's latest GB200 chips for AI model training. Notably, this is an equity investment, not a loan, meaning Blue Owl is willing to take higher risks, demonstrating long-term confidence in AI infrastructure. Microsoft makes a major European move. The company announces a $10 billion investment to build an AI data center park in Sines, Portugal's coastal city. This is one of Microsoft's largest European investments, exceeding all its data center investments in Spain combined. Why Sines? This small city's location is strategically valuable. It's the junction of 16 submarine cables connecting Europe, Africa, and the Americas, with affordable renewable energy and favorable climate. The project will install 12,600 of NVIDIA's latest chips, with the first building already operational. Beyond infrastructure, Microsoft plans to train 15,000 Portuguese in AI, expecting to contribute over €2 billion to the economy by 2030. SoftBank makes a bold strategic pivot. The Japanese tech giant announces the sale of its entire 32.1 million NVIDIA shares for $5.83 billion. Combined with $9.17 billion from T-Mobile stake sales, SoftBank is raising funds for an all-in $22.5 billion bet on OpenAI. This is a shocking decision, given NVIDIA's dominance in AI chips. But SoftBank's CFO emphasizes this isn't lost confidence in NVIDIA, but strategic asset realization. In fact, SoftBank still participates in multiple projects dependent on NVIDIA technology, including the 500B Stargate project. Notably, this is SoftBank's second NVIDIA exit. After the OpenAI investment, its stake rises from 4% to 11%, showing capital migration from hardware to applications. Scribe v2 real-time breakthrough. ElevenLabs just released Scribe v2 real-time, called the industry's most accurate real-time transcription model. How powerful is it? Supporting 90-plus languages with only 150 millisecond latency means virtually no perceived delay, near human conversation experience. In the authoritative FLIRS benchmark, Scribe v2 achieves 93.5% accuracy across 30 languages, beating all major competitors including Google Gemini Flash 2.5, OpenAI GPT-4o Mini, and DeepGram Nova 3. More impressively, its negative latency technology predicts the next word and punctuation, further reducing perceived delay. Priced from $0.28 per hour with enterprise-grade security certifications. AI rapidly enhances its developer toolkit. The newly launched Files API brings powerful file processing capabilities to Grok models. This new API supports a wide range of file formats, CSV, JSON, PDF, code files, etc., with up to 48 megabytes per file.
More exciting, Files API not only reads files but integrates code execution tools. This means Grok can develop and run Python code to directly process your files, performing complex data analysis. Priced at $10 per 1,000 tool calls, providing complete infrastructure for developers building sophisticated AI applications. Here's today's craziest question. We're seeing capital flow from chips to applications and infrastructure, with SoftBank even abandoning the NVIDIA goldmine. Does AI's future lie in underlying hardware or upper layer applications? What's your choice? See you in the comments. Tutu Crazy AI. More craziness tomorrow.